Have you bought yourself some Matic lately? Well, now might be the right time to do so. So, what is Matic exactly? What is Polygon? So it used to be known as Matic when it first started, so now it's known as Polygon. They rebranded as Polygon. Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network. It's a multi-chain scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. So users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon bridge smart contract, interact with them with Polygon sidechain, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. So if you had Ethereum on the level 1 Ethereum blockchain, you'd have to convert that on Matic to the layer 2 sidechain. So the big reason that Matic Polygon came about is because of the high gas fees mainly. The more Ethereum grew, the higher the gas fees became, so they needed a solution, and Matic Polygon was that solution. The gas fees are very, very cheap on Matic, a tiny amount versus what Ethereum cost to do those same transactions. Ethereum transactions were getting up there, I mean, like $800 per transaction. So it became to where it was not beneficial for somebody with a lesser amount of money to even use Ethereum for any kind of transaction, because it would just cost too much. Like if you were trying to swap, you know, $100 of ETH to USDC or something, then it would cost you, hundreds of dollars or even more than that, which that's just not economical at all. So there was some news yesterday that came out, and a lot of people knew this already, but I'm just going to this news article where it says Polygon Ethereum scaling solution is launching its parachain-like approach on Ethereum. So that's kind of like the parachains on Kusama, Polkadot network. This is to help dApps seamlessly connect to the network while offering higher transaction per second and low gas fees. Like I was just explaining, the gas fees are crazy on Ethereum. So if Ethereum wants to keep growing into the future, they got to have some kind of solution there, and Polygon appears to be that solution. It just goes on to say, like Aave is now on Polygon, and it's already witnessed enormous user adoption, almost 12 billion in deposits. That was in April, and over 7 billion moving to this protocol. So total transaction fee $158. So pretty crazy, pretty low. Polygon's popularity has grown, that must be a typo, over the last few months due to its unique protocol framework for building connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks, as more and more centralized apps are being deployed on the platform to escape the high transaction fees of Ethereum mainnet. New SDK stack helps dApp developers leverage Ethereum's power. The team also launched SDK stack containing several plug-and-play modules and customized solutions such as consensus and synchronization parameters to allow developers to deploy unique Ethereum connected blockchains easily. So in my point of view, I look at like Matic as even, it could be its own blockchain besides Ethereum in the future, and I think they're preparing for that. That way if Ethereum 2.0 were to come out and then Matic's not needed anymore, they can also have their own blockchain network. It's already set up. You already have dApps on it. You already got, DeFi apps, those kind of things on the blockchain. So they'll be set up and good to go if, you know, Ethereum 2.0 were to do them a little bit of a disservice, I guess you could say. But Mark Cuban was a recent, well, I'll just say he likes Matic Polygon a lot. He has recently come out and tweeted that, you know, he said it. He thinks it's a great project. He's an investor also. I mean, he's a billionaire, so he's got lots of money to throw around and invest. So just scrolling through the Reddit, I noticed also Matic is now on Voyager app. That's a really good place to buy crypto with really low fees. Actually, if you're interested, you'll see my Voyager referral code down in the description. But I've used them a couple of times here lately to buy crypto and got really good deal, low fees. You can also cash out really easy in Voyager, and you can buy crypto with, you know, with your bank account, debit card, fairly easy. Also, they connect directly to your bank, you know, using your login information and everything. It's pretty seamless. It worked really well if you're interested. But there's a lot of information coming out. You know, there's a lot of big DeFi stuff going on Matic. A lot of projects moving over to Matic Network, like Polycat. Aave's already there, like I was just talking about. Let's go over. We can look at some of those. So here we are on DAppRadar.com. If you click on BCS Polygon, I'm on Polygon right now. QuickSwap, I didn't mention that one yet, but it's a huge exchange. It's kind of like Uniswap, but it's on Matic layer 2. But as you can see, there's already $471 million balance is what it's showing here. 82 million volume. Polycat's another one, 99 million balance, 6 million in volume. Sushi, Aave, DeFi. I think DeFi's going to be a good one. Even as just investing in the DeFi coin might be pretty good. Here's a new one, Polygold. So, see, there's a lot of these popping up. 1 inch is now on Polygon. That was an announcement in the past day or two. Smelly Cat, Polydex, Golden Bull, a lot of different ones. Lots of good stuff going on. So here we are on the daily chart for Matic. As you can see, it's well above the 20, 50, 100, 200 EMAs. RSI is just kind of trending sort of in the middle right now. Kind of just consolidating over to the right. Hadn't really did a lot today, just consolidation. And then the MACD, the volume is down a little bit there, just like you can see the volume is just gradually creeping down. We really need some more volume to start creeping up there to help push this thing up. It's the same with Bitcoin, Ethereum. The volume's a little bit low. So it would be good if we could get a little more volume, which I do anticipate that'll probably happen. You know, unless we're just fixing to hit another bear market, which I think we're still in a bull market like a lot of other people think. But, you know, you don't know what the greater powers that be have in store for everybody or where we could end up being at. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, we actually, like I was saying, just consolidating over to the right now. A little bit under or kind of in between the 20 and the 50 EMA. RSI, it's just consolidating. On the histogram, on the MACD, we're kind of just trending. Just not a lot of volume. So how are we looking on the 1 hour? Probably the same thing. Yeah, we're just kind of trending to the right. Looks like we're underneath the EMAs on the 1 hour. The RSI is showing a little bit of an increase. Let's see if I can get the MACD up. MACD is kind of just, yeah, just kind of trending to the right. Hard hard to make too much out of that. But hopefully we'll see some more volume, and you know, hopefully we'll see this thing kick off. I do believe there's a lot more upside for Matic. We're at 184 right now. I think it had gotten up to, let's see where it got up to before, somewhere around 270, I think, looking at it right there. So we're down about a dollar from where it was before. So let's see where it gets. I think we're going to keep trending up. I think we're still in a bull market. I mean, all this mess here was when Elon started tweeting and everything dropped down. But look how nicely it shot back up. So yeah, I think we're definitely in good shape still. But guys, like I was talking about Voyager app, it's a great app. If you want to buy, sell, trade cryptos, you can even do limit orders on the app. So pretty cool stuff. I like it. The fees are like really low for withdrawing or buying crypto. Really good. I like it. Good stuff. So I left a link in the description and in the first pinned comment if you're interested in downloading Voyager. It's available on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store for Android devices. So check it out. Matic was just added today or yesterday, I think, on there, so you can get your Matic on there. Coinbase has Matic. I also have a link to that if you're interested. So Matic's definitely the next big coin, I believe. I would put it up there with VeChain. If I was just going from my own intuition or my own thoughts of it, you know, ADA is already up there. Polkadot's already up there. I think the next level is kind of like Matic, VeChain, and then like Harmony One might be a little bit under that. Because I'm big on Harmony One too. It's a great project, great team. But the ones with great teams, great communities, those are the ones you keep seeing moving up. You know, the ones that don't really have a lot of good communication, like on social media, Twitter, those are the ones that kind of stay down in price and don't really move up because there's nothing to market the coin. There's nothing to get the word out there to everybody else. I mean, look at Charles Hutchinson. He's always, I think I said his name right, but Charles is always making videos on Cardano like every day. So you can find out like anything about it. Like even when Mark Cuban was questioning Cardano, you know, Charles was making videos on it, trying to prove his point. So anyway, that's my thoughts on it. Yeah, Polygon's great. I would definitely get some if I were you. I've been holding it for a while now. It's one of my bigger holdings actually, and I think great things are going to come out of Matic, and it's really going to help Ethereum out a lot. It's already helping Ethereum out a lot. So I think if Matic wasn't there, you wouldn't be seeing this Ethereum price increase like it has been, because people were so fed up with the gas fees. So it's good to see Matic be helpful to Ethereum in that regard. But then again, you know, it might be its own on blockchain someday aside from Ethereum. Like if Ethereum 2.0 were to come out, you know, and displace it, at least it can stand on its own also. And I think that's what the developers of Matic are also looking to in the future. You know, I mean, why not? You know, I mean, you got Cardano, Ethereum, Solano. And I have Matic blockchain by itself too. It works pretty good. Works really well. So they put a lot of hard work into it. So anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel already, be sure to hit it. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. I do appreciate it. And you guys have a good evening. I will talk to you later.